Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. So today is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to do some completions. And I also wanted to say thank you to Richard and Laura for letting me be on the Disney Paint Along Live yesterday. I had so much fun. I was so nervous, but it was really, I had a really great time. And to all the new people that came in, or at least for me, new people for me, thank you for your support. And like I said, I had a really great time. I hope that everybody's having a great Sunday. It is July the 17th. It is 7:12 here in Oklahoma. It has been started off pretty cloudy, but the sun came out. It's been really shiny, warm and shiny today. So now I'm trying to get some videos done so that I can get ready for the week. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Nothing exciting for me. Nothing really. I took my daughter today to the grocery store, did a little grocery shopping. Yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Not a whole bunch. I can't remember, so it must not have been that exciting. So, all right, so here are my completions. So I got for my canvas that I did for the Disney Paint Along, is that I did this from, this is a canvas I got from Temu, and it's my Cinderella. This took longer than I anticipated because of all of the dress. It was very detailed, but I got it finished. So this really could be Disney, or it could actually be like a wedding dress, because look at the train there. Let me pull up a little closer. This was a 30 by 40, 7 colors, different shapes, and crystals and special shapes. What I was really surprised about was the little slithers here. I thought, oh my God, this is going to take forever, but they were small enough that I could actually pick them up with my single placer. So thank God for that. But it turned out really good. I wasn't going to seal it, but then I thought I would, and so I used the sealer, but I was almost out of it, so I have to get more. And this is what I use to seal with. I just went on Amazon and I was looking at the price, and this was like the cheapest. Now I got this last year, so I actually have got to order some more. But this is what I use. And you know, it has this, and don't look at the side because it's really dirty. Has a sponge top on it, but I find with that sponge that as I'm rubbing, I'm picking up drills. So I just put it on my finger and I just go over the canvas, and it seems to work okay. It turned out really good, and I like it. Actually makes the colors brighter to me, because like the blue. So that's how I know that I have gotten it over on everything, because it kind of turns that color a little lighter color. So anyway, so that is the one. And then, and I can't remember if I've shown you this, but if I didn't, it would be a really, really short video. So this is the Nutcracker. I also got this at Temu as well. And I think it turned out really great, and I sealed this as well. Now this is going to be a Christmas present, but it turned out really, really good. This is also a 30 by 40, and this had 11 special colors and special shapes. So I really love it. I really love it. So I will be giving that away. And then, so that's all of that I have for my completions. But you know, I told you guys about one of our PAs had to put her doggy down. And so I had a custom made, and so I can't post it on Facebook because we're Facebook friends. So I thought I would show you that. So if you hold on just a second. So here is Dakota, or Coda. And this is what I've gotten done. So all of that, it looks great. This is a 75 by 75. I got this from Rhinestone Goddess. I absolutely love this canvas. It is a round, and it is turning out really great. I'm gonna step back. These drills are fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So obviously I just have this top part to go, and I do have the side part right here. And what I've been doing is that, so that it's not so overwhelming for me, I have been sectioning this off into 30 by 40 sections, and then sectioning that part off. And that is where I work. And then when I'm finished with that, then I'll section off this part and this part and finish it. So I'm hoping I'm probably being like really unrealistic or trying to get ahead of myself, but I'm thinking like a week and a half I should have this finished. And then I'll get it framed, and I definitely will show you the finished picture. But I am having a great time. The drills, like I said, are wonderful. It is a round. They lay so good together. And I was noticing, I have really not used my light pad at all. But you know how like sometimes when you turn on your light pad and then the drills are like not even, but if you turn them off, then everything is nice and looks great. This canvas, no matter with the light pad on or off, the drills look great. I am so happy with this canvas so far. It is wonderful. So if you guys have not ordered from Rhinestone Goddess, you need to do it. Lauren is great. The customer service is great. Getting your canvases is great. I can't say enough about how happy I am with it. But there, I've got just Coda's face to do. I've done all of his body. And so tonight I'm going to be working on, I started a partial, an off canvas, so I'm going to be working on that. I went over to my daughter's and we watched a movie, so I took that over there And so I started that, so I think I'm going to try to get that finished. And so that's really it. So go check out Lauren from Rhinestone Goddess. Go check out Richard from Real Men Craft 2 and Laura from Crafty Chef Diamonds. They're both wonderful, and you will enjoy their content and their videos. And that's all I got. All right, so let me put this away for a second. I had to clean off my island so that I can even do my videos. Okay, so you guys, if you like this video, if you'll please hit that like button on your way out, I would appreciate it. If you would like to join my Struggle Bus family, I would really love that. Just hit that subscription button and also hit the bell to be notified each and every time I put out a new video. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday and a wonderful beginning of your week. And remember to be kind to one another. Keep cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.